This is a 2024 Renault Trafic. This van is fitted with our Carrier Transicold Citimax 280. This is a road-only operated refrigeration unit. Citimax comes standard with freezer specification gas as well as hot gas defrost. Citimax also comes with an optional 3-year parts warranty, for better peace of mind. This customer requested lips and drains at the side doors for milk deliveries. For more information on this and other conversions we have carried out, please contact us at our website listed below.